Built-in quality, mistake proofing. Sometimes training or even visual controls are not enough, especially when a mistake can be caused. Imagine a pilot. Okay, if pilot is not operating the flight properly, it might lead to mishap, which will endanger the lives of the passengers that are traveling. Think about this example. In the parking garage, you can place this barricade kind of thing, which will prevent children from going. And when it comes to the fuel tank, all the fuel tank caps, right, they are all tied within that enclosure. That way, you are avoiding the mistake of misplacing the fuel tank cap. Next, ATM. ATMs already have an indication in terms of in which direction you need to insert the card. So these are some other examples. We need to put controls to ensure that a mistake does not happen. That is about mistake proofing. Here are a few more examples, like you can prevent or detect errors by an employee or by system. And it will also detect defects in the products. And you can prevent further processing. Make sure that it is impossible to create an error or defect or mistake. On web applications, you have the validation in place. If a field is mandatory, it is marked in red. In some cases, they don't mark it in red, but they provide this kind of dialog box based validation. If you are not entering any data in the required field, it will give you an alert, a message. Next one is the Microsoft Excel example. We try to enter some formula. If formula is not correct, it gives you an error message. You may want to correct it, or else the data will be skewed. So mistake proofing stops the passing of a defect on to the next person. And sometimes that next person is the customer. Imagine if defect is detected by the customer, then you lose the reputation, you lose the business. So we cannot take chance.